In today's video, we are going to look at the top 5 best brushless angle grinders available on the market. We researched web and read lots of real user reviews before creating the brushless angle grinders list. If you want more information and updated pricing on the brushless angle grinders mentioned, be sure to check the description link. Subscribe to our channel. And press the bell button for more informative videos. Number 5, 12V19500 RPM Cordless Angle Grinder. This high-speed 12V cordless angle grinder, reaching 19500 RPM, is a versatile power tool for cutting, polishing, and grinding. With brushless and brush motor options, it offers enhanced efficiency and reduced maintenance. It's built for various applications, including ceramic tile, wood, stone, and steel, making it an essential tool for DIY enthusiasts and professionals alike. The cordless design provides convenience and mobility, while the ergonomic handle ensures comfortable use over extended periods. Compact and powerful, it's suitable for tackling both fine and heavy-duty tasks with ease. Number 4, 21V Electric Angle Grinder with 3-speed adjustment, equipped with a brushless motor and a 21V 4.0 Ah lithium battery. This electric angle grinder offers reliable performance with 3 adjustable speeds. It features a 125mm cutting disc, perfect for precision cutting in different materials like metal, tile, and wood. The cordless design provides flexibility and ease of use, while the powerful battery ensures longer operational time. Its sturdy construction makes it a robust tool for various projects, allowing users to adjust speeds according to their needs for efficient and controlled cutting. Number 3, PATUOPRO Variable Speed Cordless Angle Grinder. The PATUOPRO Cordless Angle Grinder is compatible with Makita 18V batteries and ideal for woodworking and general cutting tasks. With variable speed control, users can tailor the speed to suit specific materials and tasks. Its brushless motor provides durability and reduces noise, while the cordless design ensures hassle-free handling and flexibility. Compact yet powerful, this grinder is built for ease of use in woodworking and other detailed projects, allowing for precise, efficient work. Number 2, RDDSPON 125mm Brushless Angle Grinder with 3 gears. This RDDSPON cordless angle grinder, compatible with Makita 18V lithium-ion batteries, comes with 3 adjustable gears for versatile cutting applications. Its 125mm disc diameter and powerful brushless motor ensures smooth operation on materials like wood, metal, and tiles. The ergonomic design and cordless functionality enhance mobility and reduce fatigue. This grinder's multi-gear setup allows users to adjust speed for better control, making it a reliable choice for both professional and DIY users. Number 1, 125mm M14 Brushless Cordless Angle Grinder. Designed for compatibility with Makita 18V batteries, this 125mm M14 angle grinder is perfect for cutting, polishing, and grinding applications. Featuring a powerful brushless motor, it offers smooth, efficient performance and reduced wear over time. The cordless design allows for easy handling and flexibility across different tasks and environments. Its M14 thread and compact build make it ideal for use in tight spaces, while its powerful motor ensures effective performance on wood, metal, and stone. This grinder is an excellent choice for users seeking a reliable, durable power tool.